Dis waar die uitdrukking vlerksleep vandaan kom. Die versand. Verdwyn hy agter die bosie in. Waar kom hy nou weer uit?
Heb je gezien, je kan hem afnemen.
Oeh, kyk daar so.
Nou waar is hy?
Daar lê sy op die grond. Waar gaan sy nou opstaan?
We haven't really seen it yet this season. This should be the most tense game of their entire season so far, barring getting through to semi-final stages. But they've played it with an openness and a willingness to attack that's really given them an advantage against the Cheetahs. So immediately after this game, the Golden Lions take on the Blue Bulls from Johannesburg, and it'll be the Blue Bulls searching for the final spot in the playoffs. A 26-point lead with less than half an hour to play.